Hello, welcome to my channel. This is the first time I'm going to do it in English. It's also the first time this season I'm going to try out my drone. I'm here at a beautiful site. I'm going to show you. Beautiful sun. I want to have my sunglasses on, that's better for me. I've got some new toys. I've got a mic, I've got a Steadycam. So I'm going to show my drone. We're going to fly in this area and I hope you will enjoy it.
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the to do. I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself now and then. I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone.
So it's very windy in here. I hope you're going to understand me. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this movie. The stick is very heavy with one arm. And I've got my drone, so forgive me if I'm out of breath. I hope you enjoy this movie, like it, subscribe my channel, and maybe I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.